they look like themselves crazy. That no one answering. Let them be. A crazy dog barking on the moon. Let them be. Because what you say? Wait a minute. What you say? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Yes. Exactly the law. Yeah. Of course. I already some this morning some of my couple friends and say that I don't know if that be real. I don't I'm not easy to easy to believe those some couple of my friends messaging on me in a messenger and saying, "Sweet princess, some princess, the stupid person came in here in the Philippines." And I said, "I don't know because I'm not around their own channel. I know. I don't know that. I don't know." They said that yeah, they telling that he's here in the Philippines, but I don't care.